Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum grade 1. Welcome to online science class. I am your science teacher from Dr. A.Q. Khan School System, Kent. As we were studying chapter number 1, life science, in which we have studied what are living and non-living things. Okay, the living things can breathe, can reproduce, can move from one place to another place, while on the other hand non-living being cannot do these. They cannot move, they cannot reproduce, they cannot breathe. Okay, so in today's lecture we will study the human life cycle, which is on page number 18. Open your book, page number 18. Which page? Page number 18. The week is 3, day is 1, subject science and grade 1. The chapter is life science, the science which is related to the living being. All this science which we are going to study in this chapter is life science, the science which is related only to the living things, that the species or the thing that are categorized under the definition of living being, they are included in the chapter life science, and the topic is human life cycle. What is, first of all we will learn the definition. What is a life cycle? Life cycle means the stages a living thing goes through during its life. जितने भी stages एक living thing go through करता है during his or her whole life, these stages or these steps are called life cycle. All the steps which are taken up by a living thing, which can be an animal, a plant or human being, these stages or these steps taken up by a living being, these stages or steps are called life cycle. So we will learn human life cycle from the time a baby is born up till to its old age. The first step is the birth of the baby. So a human being has to go through 4 stages in his or her life. The stage 1 is the birth of the baby, which is the stage 1. Stage 1, a baby is born, and with the passage of time the baby is converted into a child. Stage 1 baby, and baby will transform with the passage of time into a child, which is the stage 2. After the baby has been transformed into a child, he will cover or enter the stage 3, which is the adult stage, from the age of 22 onwards 40. Okay, and after the adult age, this is the last stage, which is the stage 4, old age, from 60 or from 52 onwards. Okay, human being covers 4 stages in his life. Number 1 stage, baby. Number 2, child. Number 3 stage, adult. And number 4 stage, old age. So repeat with me the definition of life cycle. It means the stages a living thing goes through during its life. All the stages like this, stage 1, 2, 3, 4, which a living thing goes through during its whole life, these stages are called life cycle. And the life cycle of human being consists of 4 stages. Stage 1 baby, stage 2 child, stage 3 adult, and stage 4 old age. Now open your book, page number 18. The page number is 18, and the topic is human life cycle. Put your finger over here and start reading with me. All living things have a life cycle. All the living things that are present in the universe, in this world, have a life cycle. They have to go through this life cycle. Each life cycle has stages of growth. Okay? Each life cycle has different stages. For example, human life cycle consists of a baby, stage 1, stage 2 child, stage 3 adult, and stage 4 old age. Okay? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.